Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to create Aliexpress account. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open your Aliexpress apps. And now, in the bottom, you will see sign in button. Just tap on it. In this page, tap on more options. And in the bottom, you will see register. You have just to tap on it. In register page, the first section is your location. You can choose your current location here. And after that, tap your email address. Below the email column, you have to type your new password. Now tap on agree and create account with the red background button. And yeah, registration is success. Now you already have an Aliexpress account. So guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!